check. Ooh. Ooh. What's up, y'all? My name is Kayla J. I got a little 15-minute set for y'all. We about to turn up. Y'all ready? Can I get people to come closer to me? Like, I swear, when I hurt y'all, I won't, attack you or anything. I'll be nice to you. This is my phenomenal DJ B Cash. Look at her, ain't she fine? Look at her curls. Her curls is all defined and shit. Look at her. Alright, y'all ready to get into it? If you ready, say yeah. Yeah. Say yeah. Yeah. Say hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, I think they're ready. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. For your niggas that down in Kayla J, like, lay away, so you about to pay. You hate on me, hey man, cause you hurt on me, hey man, so you call me a fag, I'ma get to the bag though. Say just when I'm up in the lab, don't put on my lap, go make something mad though. Let's rap. I'm tired of you rascals, you delusional or rational, you saluting out Tabasco, and you thinking that shit you're an asshole. That's why I've been giving you the finger, like, bitch, fuck yo, like, yo, bitch stuck on me, like, white stuck on right. Wait, I'm ice, I'm really nice, so don't believe them niggas when they tell you don't believe the hype. Oh, you really should believe the hype. You really should stay tonight. You don't like girls, you like, I can change your whole life. Yeah, I know what you like. I know exactly where it's at. I don't have to fight. I ain't got the shit to make you wanna tell you. Boy, bring your mind. I ain't got the shit to make you pay your phone bill just so you can hit my line. Don't like I hit it from behind, girl. That was a joke for. It was mine. You should make my insurance pay the fine. You shouldn't have to pay your dime because I was wilding in that pussy. Panicking, drowning in that pussy. Man, I was so sucking wet. You would've thought I was a pussy. But bitch, I'm far from a pussy. Couldn't even take a car to a pussy. It's like that pussy so planet Earth. And I'm involved if you're looking. Trying to see what I was cooking. Well, I'm about to get some cookies. I'm that thick ass Martian. She's trying to give me sucky. A little sucky. A little nothing for the rookie. A little booty for the rookie. I know I'm not a big star, but can I still touch the tushy? Like, I know it's man-made, but it still looks good on you, woman. God bless all the scientists that made it happen with it. And you got the mean, some people don't got the mean. Some ladies gotta hit the squat with their ham hot and them green people when she don't got the cheese. She's still swaying new cheese. I'm just a little girl with big dreams trying to give the work shit is missing. Say I won't do it, they just singing it over to the fat bitch thing. I'm gonna be the baddest thing, my head is gonna be ass kissing. Can't wait till it's happening. For now we're just pageant things. It's gonna be a tragic thing. It's really gonna be mass killing. These children casting it's a black girl magic thing. The madness that havoc brings. We savage, trashing things. We laughing and crashing things. We rapping and gassing things. We passing and ratchet things. Smashing the baddest things. The ass is just rapping shit. No, the ass is just mad at me. Turn up, plus I put my foot to his balls like a batting game. That's what that nigga get for thinking that he was having games. I don't fuck with niggas. What? I fuck with bitches. So they say my name. What they say, they be like Kayla J, Kayla J, Kayla J, Kayla J, Kayla J, Kayla J, I fucking love you all. Y'all ready? How many people in here is about their money, about their check? So when I say check, say check. Check. What you think, BK? You think they're ready? They ready? Is they ready, DJ BK? Is they ready? Alright, she said y'all ready, so y'all ready. Yeah. Check. Y'all ready? Turn up. Check. I got the looks. Check. Do I really look like I'm an artist that need to be checked? I'm trying to catch a play. I need a deal. Ooh, ain't that no? Check. Tell it. I got the looks. Do I really look like I'm an artist that need to be checked? I'm trying to catch a play. I need a deal. Ain't that no? Wait, you rip off. That's my boy, I be minding that. That's my boy. Wait, it's NGM, nigga. You can never check my voice. Whoa, wait, say you got my check? Yeah, say less, my boy. Wait, I ain't best just doing never catch me to trust my boy. Tell it. I ain't got the look. I'm trying to catch a flight. I need a deal. Ooh, ain't that no? Check, check, check. Tell it. Check. I ain't got the looks. Do I really look like I'm an artist? I'm trying to catch a flight. Wait. Hold up, wait a minute. Let me put some pimpin' in it. Ooh, and I like women when they melanated. I got night vision, I really love women. I would die if I woke up with my tongue missing. I probably wouldn't see the light like the sun's missing. I go hard with the peak when the drums hit. Drop line at the line like I'm going fishing. Another crappie, another salmon, I'm out standing. I'm out finished. I'm an outsider like I'm out camping. And I can out you with my mouth missing. And I can make you panic like a child missing. I got so many bars, she playing this and stuff. Your mom is aspirated, you should want your sister. She gave me good brain, she'll never touch it. If I come around and you acting different, I'm going to fuck up your mouth like a bad dentist. Am I a musician or a magician? It's a trick every time I rap this shit. Turn up. Hands up, hands up. Hands up, hands up. Come close, come close. Come close, come close. Back check. Big check. Ain't nothing else except check, check, check. Tell it, say it, check. I ain't got the looks. Do I really look like I'm an artist? I'm trying to get your plate. Back check. Doing it, business check. Don't take me, you should check your bitch. Cause I see your bitch, oh playing fish. You wasn't checking for me when I'm about to piss in. Don't be checking for me. What over it? I need to run up and check like I'm about to miss it. And if I act like an ass, you gon' have to kiss it. If I'm gonna be that nigga, I'm gonna be ass kicking. And all my niggas gonna be eating when you fast and bitch. Tell it, check. I ain't got the looks, yo, check. Yo, do I really look like I'm an artist? I need to be checked. I'm trying to catch a flight, back check. I need a deal. Ooh, ain't nothing else. Except check, 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 check. Tell it, check. I ain't got the looks. Yo, do I really look like I'm an artist? Wait, I'm trying to catch a flight. Here go your part, y'all ready? Hey, let's go. Now go, check, check, check.
Check, check, check.
I said check, check, check.
Hey, check, check, check.
Now go, check, check, check.
Check, check, check.
Check, check, check.
Check, check, check.
When I say Kayla, y'all say J. Kayla,
J.
Kayla,
J.
B, K, B, K, B,
K.
B,
K.
B,
K.
B,
K.
B.
K.
Y'all ready? I got a treat for y'all. I am the allegory of hip hop. I don't need no chain, no wristwatch. Till your bitch watch, give her this cock. Wait till she sleep and still your bitch watch. I don't play the game, I made the game, I'm jigsaw. She don't want to choose up, well, I don't do the wish wash. Never get tired of doing them dirty, and I don't rinse off. Before Rick Ross, I've been boss. I was hustling home trying to make it for the street light. I rap 3 times better, I need 3 months. I've been killing these niggas since I was knee-high. Spit a 3-line, make them want to rewind. Yeah, this ain't my flow is seasoned, it's a red divine. It's all the color girls who've been told by these guys that they can't rap or rhyme, but that they need a male cosigner. Baby, listen, you'll be fine. You'll be rocking designer. You got power in your vagina. You didn't need plies to remind you.
Let's fucking go.
I'm fine like China and you cute like Will Kinda. When I bring it to the table, bitch, I brought the whole diner. And I eat, nigga. Have a seat, nigga. Don't act a fool, nigga. Mama told you not to play with food, nigga. And you looking like soup, all I need is a spoon, nigga. Yes, and then fuck your bitch when you called, I was spooning her. She said my sex hypnotic like she drinking blue liquor. Posted me on the gram, yeah, it was a cool picture. Wanted another angle, told her take a new picture.
Yeah! Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go.
It was worth $1 million like B taking blue picture. Nigga!
Let's go. Let's fucking go, Kayla. Period.
I got one more song for y'all. Y'all ready to turn up? Y'all like that?
Yeah.
one. Y'all ready? Who let strippers? Who let a strip club? First of all. See, everybody in the front row is being honest. Y'all back there, I don't know if y'all can be trusted. I don't know. All right, we ready? Drop that shit. Yeah. Yeah.
What you about to do? What you about to do?
Y'all ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, yeah. I'ma go support my own girl at the titty bar. Yeah, yeah, they meant today, but they gon' be tricks tomorrow. They'll be spitting all they dollar bills. Yeah, yeah, a lot of shit goes down. My homegirl acting all drunk. Now she done got some man's attention. And now I'm riding shotgun in her Bentley car. Turn up. I said my homegirl, she ain't in a suit. Yeah, yeah, she ain't no cliche. She just getting paid. Her strip club ain't got no rules. I don't really know what's going on behind the shades. I know she got her own apartment and ain't got no room, babe. You may have a room, babe, but that hoe was too fake. And now she hate on my homegirl, but she might have her own company, bitch. Now you living at your mama house. You can't even have company, bitch. Grumpy, bitch. You really mad or something. Probably cause you empty not diamond, you can't shake your ass like it cause you can see my friend ass when she coming. Make a nigga ask for a number, but she don't give a map just for nothing. Come with the cash or don't come in. She can spot a man with no money. She can hypnotize you with a hip. She can turn a baller to a trick, make a low life. Think that he's a shit. She could turn a male to her personal bitch. Turns up. And then she dip. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, 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 yeah. For my whole girl at the hey, 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 they meant today, but they gon' be tricks tomorrow. They'll be spitting only yellow views. Turn up, turn up. My homegirl acting old. Now she done got some man's attention. And now I'm riding shotgun in her Bentley car. Yeah, yeah. I said my homegirl, she ain't ashamed. They said he judging, but not one of her pills is in their name. She gonna shake that to the day. And I'm a news anchor and I'm expecting a bitch that's a rain. Can't invite your husband, he came. Your daddy fucked up your rent for a little bit of booze in his face. All for a fictitious evade. Meaning it really is, but it ain't. She only give a fuck about your pocket. She don't give a fuck about your day. So don't you turn to T-Pain. But I can't help but let her aim. She turned to a therapist. Although she's still with his wrist. Because the price of his necklace. Arrogance turned to negligence. Man, ego so delicate. If she keeps stroking his tip, it's gonna ooze evidence. She influences all kind of myths. Politicians and reverends. Police be scanning her body like they looking for evidence. My homegirl killing these niggas. She bring the thrill to these niggas. And all she asks in return is to get some bills from these niggas. Turn up. Hands up, hands up. Hands up. Girl, at the yeah. But they gon' be tricks tomorrow. A lot of shit goes down. Yeah. Got it.
Let's go. Yeah. Wow.
And now I'm riding shotgun in her Bentley car. Yeah. My homegirl don't give no fucks. They'd rather her living off a man or the welfare system stuck. She know her looks won't last forever. She's saving up for some business endeavors. And all y'all people throwing stones. But they glass houses couldn't be clearer. We living in a whole new era. Why you still thinking like a caveman? And God had to make women just to balance out the stupid when they made men. Women always gotta come save men, feed men, bathe men, drain men, and clothe men. They act like it was all men. Even when they act boys, but we still call men. No, I'm not saying it's all men, but y'all know who y'all is. And then that same man turned around and he disrespected Queen. It don't matter what she's wearing, who she's being with. That's my word, like a linguist. I support my homegirl whether she was an escort or a dentist. You gotta uplift your homegirl, not condemn your homegirl. That's gonna put her on the defense. In the future, when she get on, she won't forget about the pretense. She can catch me out here, gentleman club, yelling, yeah, do your thing, bitch.